Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today our topic is MCQ for Agri exams on rice crop with the explanation of answer. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. So friends, the first question is, how much water is required to produce 1 kg of rice grains? Option D is the correct answer, 5000 liters. In general cereal crops, water requirement is about 400 to 500 liters for the production of 1 kg of plant dry matter. But in case of rice consumes more water. That is 5000 liters of water is required to produce 1 kg of rice grains. Next question number 2. The main protein in rice is, option B is the correct answer, oryzanine. The main protein in rice is oryzanine. Rice grains are relatively rich in lysine, which is 4% of the total protein fraction. Rice contains about 70% carbohydrates and 6 to 7% protein content. Next question number 3. Genus Oryza have 24 species, out of which cultivated species are, option C is the correct answer, both A and B. That means genus Oryza have 24 species, out of which only 2 are cultivated. First one is Oryza sativa and the second one is Oryza glabridima. Oryza sativa has 3 main geographical races. First one is indica, which is grown throughout the tropics and subtropics area of India. Second one is japonica rice, which is grown in Japan, also known as subtropical rice. And the third one race is javanica rice, also known as balu rice, which is grown in Indonesia. The second one cultivated species is Oryza glabridima, which is grown in West Africa only. Next question number 4. Which of the following is a wild form of rice? Option A is the correct answer, javanica rice. Javanica rice is wild form of rice generally grown in Indonesia. It is low tillering and has a tall plant stature. In this picture you can see the first one is japonica rice, second one is indica rice and third one is javanica rice. Next question number 5. The grain of rice, caryopsis, is tightly enclosed by lemma and palea, collectively known as, option A is correct, hull. The grain of rice, which is also known as caryopsis, is tightly enclosed by the lemma and palea, collectively known as hull. Also note down that rice stem is commonly called as haulm and culm, which is made up of a series of nodes and internodes. Next question number 6. Rice inflorescence is known as, option C is correct, panicle. Rice inflorescence is called as panicle, which has 6 number of stamens. In case of wheat, inflorescence is known as ear or spike. The seed of both wheat and rice is known as caryopsis. Next question number 7. The most suitable pH range for cultivation of rice is, option A is correct, 4 to 6. Clay or clay loam soils are the most suited for rice cultivation. It grows well in soils having a pH range between 4 to 6. Next question number 8. In rice fields, nitrogenous fertilizers should be provided at, option B is correct, reduced zone. In rice field, waterlogged puddle soil develops 2 zones. The upper zones called as oxidized zone, which contain oxygen, and just below the oxidized layer there is reduced zone, which contains no oxygen. To prevent denitrification and leaching losses of nitrogenous fertilizers, use of nitrate fertilizers should be avoided, and thus ammonical form of nitrogenous fertilizers should be incorporated in reduced zone so that the process of nitrification is delayed. Next question number 9. Sowing time of Boro rice is, option D is correct, January to February. There are 3 main seasons of rice cultivation. First one is Aus, autumn or pre-kharif, in which sowing is done in April to May and harvesting in August to September. Second one is Aman or kharif rice, sowing in June to July and harvesting in October. and the third one is Boru rice or summer or spring sowing, in which sowing is done during January to February and the harvesting in April to May. Next question, question number 10. In SRI method of rice planting or system of rice intensification, seedlings are transplanted dash days after sowing. Option B is correct, 10 to 12 days after sowing. Rice is transplanted at different times according to sowing season and transplanting method. In Kharif season, rice is transplanted 21 to 25 days after sowing. In Rabi season, 30 to 35 days after sowing. In SRI method, it is 10 to 12 days after sowing. In Dapog method, it is 11 to 12 days after sowing, and in dryland areas, it is 30 to 35 days after sowing. Next question, question number 11. Seed rate of rice in SRI system is, option B is correct, 5 kg per hectare. Seed rate of rice according to transplanting system as follows. In case of broadcasting, the seed rate is 100 kg per hectare. In case of drilling method, it is 60 kg per hectare. In case of hybrid rice, it is 15 kg per hectare. In case of Dapog method, it is 1.5 to 3 kg per meter square in nursery area. 25 to 40 meter square nursery area is sufficient to transplant in 1 hectare. And in SRI method, the seed rate is 5 kg per hectare. Next question, question number 12. In general, nursery area is required for transplanting of paddy in 1 hectare is, option C is correct, 1000 meter square. Normally, 1000 meter square nursery area is sufficient to transplant rice in 1 hectare. In case of rice dry bed, the nursery area also required 1000 meter square. In case of rice wet bed, it is 1250 to 1500 meter square. In case of SRI method, it is 100 meter square. In case of Dapog method, it is 25 to 40 meter square. Next question, question number 13. Due to consumption of polished rice, disease caused in human beings is, option A is correct, beriberi. Milling. The aleuron layer and embryo are removed during the polishing of rice grain. There is a loss of vitamin B, particularly thiamine, the deficiency of which the disease called beriberi in those persons who continuously eat polished rice. Next question, question number 14. White eye disease in rice is due to, option A is correct, iron deficiency or Fe deficiency. The white eye disease in rice is caused due to the deficiency of iron or Fe. Here is the other nutrient deficiency disease of rice. First one is Akiyuchi disease in rice is caused by H2S or hydrogen sulfide toxicity. Second one is Khaira disease of rice due to zinc deficiency. Third one is browning of rice is due to toxicity of iron. Falguna variety of rice is resistant to iron toxicity. And the fourth one is reclamation disease in cereals occurs due to the deficiency of copper. Next question, question number 15. Which of the following rice species have the highest productivity? Option B is correct, Japonica rice. Japonica rice is grown in temperate and subtropical regions of Japan. It is a short stature rice having highest productivity among 3 main races of Oryza sativa. Indica rice is tall stature rice grown in Indian regions, but it have low productivity and also it is not well responsible for high input conditions. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.